I'm going to show you how to change a theme in Roblox Studio. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Roblox Studio guides and tutorials. Changing the Roblox Studio theme is actually very simple and only takes a few seconds. First, open your project or experience inside Roblox Studio. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top left corner and click on File. After that, click on Studio Settings. This will open a new settings window with several customization options for Roblox Studio. Inside this menu, make sure you are on the Studio tab. Then, look for the General section and scroll down until you find the option called Theme. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose the appearance style you want for Roblox Studio. You can switch between light mode and dark mode depending on your preference. If you prefer a brighter interface, choose light mode. If you like a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially while scripting for long periods of time, choose dark mode. As soon as you select a new theme, the changes will automatically apply to Roblox Studio instantly, so you can immediately see what the new interface looks like without needing to restart the program. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.